In these stressful times of the 21st century, everybody wants to excel. Uh, there is a very simple way of achieving your happiness and success. There's a very simple way. We make it difficult. And the simple way is accept yourself, forgive yourself, and love yourself unconditionally. My spiritual masters, all of them, and this is there in all the scriptures, you just need to read it and accept it. The spiritual masters say, till you don't accept yourself the way you are, with all your faults, with all your mistakes, accept yourself first. Second, forgive yourself. Nobody is perfect here. Nobody. और ऊपर से तो कोई सीख के आया ही नहीं है. Everybody is learning in the school of life. Third, love yourself unconditionally. If you can manage to do these three things for yourself first, only and only then will you learn to accept others, to forgive others, and love others unconditionally. We are expecting others to accept us. We want others to forgive us. We want others to love us unconditionally. But when it comes to us doing that with them, no. The universe doesn't work that way. The universe works by the simple philosophy of you only get what you give. So if you want love, first learn to give love in abundance. You want money? You want wealth? Then learn to be a good giver first. There are so many people who've not got. Look into your life and you'll be shocked at how blessed you are. And if you think you're not blessed, then go and look into people's lives who got nothing and they're yet carrying a smile on their face. That means something's wrong with you. That is known as acceptance. Then forgive yourself. Acceptance, forgiveness, these two things, they will break your ego. And that's what the Creator wants. The journey of our human life itself, all the experiences that we are facing in our life, is to break our ego. Until you don't break your ego, that supreme divine power which is waiting inside, it's waiting to burst. It's waiting. But it will not burst till your ego is there. The moment you start allowing your ego to take a back seat, the power takes over. Because the universe knows how to run this world. We think you and I are running this world. There is a power that is running the world. Respect that power. Allow that power to play through you. Then see what happens. And that is true synergy with energy.